Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to tell if you need a bench unlock on your F30 using an MHD or Boot Mod 3. So let's head downstairs and I'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, we're in 340. We have our laptop here downloaded with a MHD. We have our OBD2 to internet with whatever connector you need to plug into your laptop. I have a Mac, so I need like 2 connectors because Mac doesn't give you an internet port or USBs. So here, we got you guys on my desktop here, screen recording. So you put your car in the auxiliary position. I already have the MHD app downloaded and open here. So we're gonna open it up, and this is completely free. So you don't need a license or anything. So you open the MHD, you're gonna have you're gonna have 4 in total. 4 different options here. You're gonna have Flash MHD map, Flash backend map, and Flash custom map. That we're not doing any of that yet. Whether you're doing MHD or Boot Mod 3, we're not doing any of that yet. What MHD has provided you with is a completely free unlock check. So this is whether you're wondering if your car has the 2019 Plus software that BMW has the anti-tuning technology on, and this is how you can check it. So we're going to click unlock check here, and just like that, couple of seconds once you have the computer plugged in. So I already knew that this car needed a bench unlock because I was under warranty till a week ago, and they actually updated the car under my last warranty service, so I already knew that I had to do this. Now there is another way you can do this, is we're going to exit out of here. We're going to open up the OBD2 Boot Mod 3 agent that we have running. And so we're connected. So now we're going to open up Chrome here. And we'll make this full screen for you guys. We are going to log in. So here we go. We're logged in everything. And down here, that's kind of the information you need, but they ask you to go under vehicle. Oh, we're already under vehicle, so never mind. And you're going to want to take a screenshot of this. And then email it to, I believe it's support at ProTuning Freaks. Pretty much say, hey, I'm wondering if this software requires me to have a bench unlock. They got back to me. I did them as well. They got back to me about 15 minutes. So it was pretty quick. And yeah, that's all you need to do to check if you need a bench unlock on your 340i. Hey guys, so that's all it takes to tell whether you need a bench unlock on your F30. If you do, I'm sending mine off to Keys Motorsports on Monday. They $250 US. You ship it out there, and then they ship it back, express shipping, overnight shipping, I can't remember what it was, at their expense. So basically it's kind of smarter to ship it out there with express shipping because you're saving half of that, so it can get back in maybe even a day, maybe even 2. But it's up to you. Other companies do it. I've chose Keys Motorsports for that reason. But you can go with whatever company you want. Thanks for watching. I guess that's it. We got quite a few other plans for the 340. Things we're doing different tunes, trend tune. Could be showing you guys how to do downpipes. Gonna be showing you how to do charge pipe. We've got turbo on the way. Yeah, we've got plans for this thing. We got high pressure fuel pumps, stuff like that. We've got a whole lot of different stuff. I'm just gonna say, like, this thing, it's gonna be legit. That's gonna be the end of it. It's gonna be pretty crazy, man. I'm excited for it. I hope you guys are too. I decided, hey, why not make a channel? Someone's gonna want to watch this, whether it's you, me, I don't know. But thanks you guys for watching, supporting. This is my first time doing this, so my editing might not be the best. But I'm excited for what the channel is going to turn out to be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.